Calpol, for the effective relief of pain and fever, teething pains, toothache, sore throats and headaches. Alcohol and sucrose free. Calpol, Mom's helping hand in pain relief.
Babies and young children have different needs when taking medication. What works for us as adults don't necessarily work for them. So to help us with this is pharmacist Rakesh Seabrith. Rakesh, what types of medication is suitable for babies?
Babies are more sensitive to medication than adults. Administering the right dose is very important. Therefore, the drug needs to be very basic and simple. Medication for babies range from painkillers, example paracetamol, and if the child is slightly older, some ibuprofen. Antibiotics also fall within a baby's needs, and all of these come either in the form of syrups or suppositories.
And what are the benefits?
The benefits of medication to a child is that if he is quite sick, example with a high temperature, he's going to be very uncomfortable. And babies can't tell us exactly what they're feeling. So by dosing them with the medication, we'll bring down their temperature and make them more comfortable, and also prevent further complications.
How do I dose a baby?
To dose a baby, the best way to do it is to use the correct tool. And this means putting back all your kitchen tools, all the spoons, they all have different sizes. To get the right dose, either use a medicine measure, a measuring cup, a dosing syringe or a medicine dropper. Your best bet for a baby is to use either an oral syringe or a medicine dropper.
How do I get a baby or a child to take the medication?
If you're using either an oral syringe or a medicine dropper and your baby tries to spit the medicine out, put your finger in on the inside of his cheek and pull it aside and form a little pocket. While your finger's still in there, squeeze in the medicine and keep your finger in there until he swallows all of the medicine. This way you'll ensure that the medicine is going down his throat and not out of his mouth.
How important is taste?
Taste is one of the most important formulation problems that drug manufacturers find with certain drugs. Dosing a bitter oral drug can cause a lot of compliance problems. Babies and infants have slightly different taste preferences compared to adults. Babies and these children tend to go for the sweeter products.
When do you medicate at home and when do you consult a doctor?
When we're medicating at home, we always try and use the most basic and simple over-the-counter medications. And these are, for example, a cold and flu or a temperature. When we're using these products and you're not getting any results or the condition is getting worse, then it's definitely time to see the doctor.
Rakesh, thank you so much for your valuable advice.
It's been a pleasure.
If any of our viewers have any further questions or concerns on this topic, we suggest you consult your medical practitioner.
Calpol, for the effective relief of pain and fever, teething pains, toothache, sore throats and headaches. Alcohol and sucrose free. Calpol, Mom's helping hand in pain relief.